No matter what technology, the driver's weakest link, and driver training is key.
Yes.
Why that safety scorecard means something, not only to their life, but to the value of the vehicle, to the maintenance, the cost of gas, to ELD training. If they're not trained properly on driving how to use the ELD system in their truck, your company is going to hurt, and their record's also going to hurt if they get pulled over. So training's a big thing. In terms of where technology is going, one day you won't buy one of these from Geotab, because you already know that today it's coming, and you see it in many new vehicles. By 2025, 83% of all new vehicles are going to have a built-in telematics device in that vehicle when you buy it off the lot. So that's coming to already today, and with the pandemic and the chip shortage, we started encouraging especially our resellers and start lighting up those OEM. You can bring the OEM data right into the Geotab database instead of putting one of our devices in. Get that Ford F-150 up and running, or a vehicle, the GM OnStar, and bring the data in. They don't have to go buy anything. They don't have to get installed. It's already there. So we see that as one big growth area, along with EVs. And EVs are going to just keep more and more evolving. But then you got to figure out how to do my routing. How do I route it so that I can get my driver back on a charge? It's a warm day in Phoenix. I got to account for the air conditioning is going to be on. It's a cold day in Chicago. He's going to be using the heater. That's going to impact how much electricity that vehicle uses. So all that, we now have to figure out, how does that work out? How do you share the charging stations? Where are your charging stations? You put your vehicle to get charged, it's done charging. How do you make sure you go move it so the next vehicle can get in that spot? Are you only charging at night? Because now you're charging between 8 and 8 at night because your local utility is giving you a rate on the electricity. And then we're working with many utilities to help you measure that. The other big challenge is, most of us today, when you pay for your gasoline, that's how you're paying for your road tax. You have an EV vehicle, you're not paying road tax, you're driving for free, in theory. Well, that's going to change. You see road usage charging in place. So I charge you depending what type of road you're on, and that's how you pay your state taxes for the roads. Mm-hmm. So that's where things are coming.